everyone, this is Jessie V with the Electric Pinup Dolls, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do a pinup poodle using a hairpiece. As you can tell, my hair is fairly long, but it is very fine, and I have a hard time doing pinup hairstyles with just my own hair. So I wanted to show you what I'll be using today. So you need a brush, you'll need a comb, you'll need lots of bobby pins. I use Suavecita Pomade. You'll need some sort of pomade and some hairspray. And finally, of course, your hairpiece. Now this one is one that just came out of the package. It is from Amazon and it's from a company called SWACC, S-W-A-C-C. I will link it in the description below. But what I've done is I have a second one because I use these all the time, and I have one on my wig stand that I have kind of pre-formed a little bit more defined curls, and I've got some pins in there for now. But what we're gonna do, and I apologize, it's very hot in my bathroom. It's about 80 degrees and we don't have air conditioning. So what I'm gonna do is pull all of my hair into a very high ponytail, and actually more forward on closer to the forehead. So bear with me, and you want to get it as smooth as possible, but don't worry about getting all the flyaways. That's what the comb and the pomade's for. So when I got it as smooth as I can, I will put it into a ponytail. And then I will twist my hair and kind of form a top knot. It can be messy because it's going to be covered. So we'll take one of our bobby pins and we'll just tack it down. Maybe tack down the other side. Okay, so like I said, don't worry about this part, it's going to be covered. But what we'll do, and yes, this is quarantine gray hair grow out, is we're going to take a bit of pomade, rub it in our hands, and I just kind of smooth it over. And I do this with dirty hair. I mean, your hair could actually be slightly damp and clean. Doesn't really matter because, again, you're kind of just going to cover all this on the top part. So I just kind of smooth out and I'll spray it down. Okay, so then we take our hairpiece, and I have the clips in the back, and then this is going to be the front. So, before I do that, I usually put a little pin here to give something to grip that front comb into. So we'll put the one in the back, bring it forward, put the one in the front. So then I'll take all these guys out. And it depends on how defined you want the hairstyle. I mean, sometimes I've just plopped this on my head and put a hair flower and called it good. Other times I've really pinned down these curls. So today we'll pin down some curls. So what I do is I will start with these front ones. Just kind of throw one in, and there's that comb there, and you can slide a pin right underneath that comb. Cover the comb. And then I'll do a few in the back. Kind of tag down your perimeter. And I always usually wear hair flower on my left side, so I'm not going to be so worried about that. Forgive me, it is warm, so I will pat my makeup. Some more pins here. We'll take, and this is, it's going to be different every time you kind of do it. Like I said, it depends on how many pins, how poofy you want your curls. And I've done this where I've used a hairnet, a very fine hairnet, and I've kind of defined the hair with the hairnet. I've done this style with a ponytail in the back as well. I'll zhuzh this for a bit, but you can get the gist. Throw that one in there. And that's why I like to style the curls before I put it on my head, so that they're pretty nice. And then we just throw on a hair flower, and voila, we're done.